So, hello everyone, this is Sahitya. So, in this particular session, I will be talking about, not talking about, I will be covering each and everything about LinkedIn, and I will be reviewing some LinkedIn profile. So, let's get started with the profile links, and I will show you what is the drawback of your profiles and each and everything about LinkedIn, right? How can you improve your LinkedIn profile and all. Okay, so let's get started. So this is my LinkedIn profile. Okay, so basically LinkedIn हम क्यों यूज़ करते हैं? It's a professional platform for each and everyone, right? If you want to get a good job or if you want to connect with fellow developers, you have to go through LinkedIn or Twitter. And LinkedIn is one of the booming social network for nowadays, right? So here you can see my LinkedIn profile. Here I am mentioning something about me, like building in this higher education related community and all, right? And here is some banner and my profile. This is photo is not so professional, and okay, so this is some little bit about my about section, and here are some experience section. Okay, and here you can see all the certificates of mine and some volunteering experiences and my skill set and recommendation and projects. Okay, so in this video there are I received 38 responses from you people. So I will be reviewing all the LinkedIn profiles step by step. So I will go with sequence wise, right? So first profile is Ashwarya. Okay, so his profile picture is good but not professional. I suggest थोड़ा सा अच्छा प्रोफाइल पिक्चर लगाने को, and your banner is not so good. I suggest you have to put something on your banners, like something about you, about your technology, right? So I suggest you to change your banner and your profile picture too. And about your headline, here you can add VIT and text enthusiast. Okay, so it's great. You can write that type of things, and if you have any kind of skill set like web development or open source, you can add on heading point. And your contact information is, yeah, pretty cool. You added your Gmail ID, so it's very good. Cool. Here we see your about section. Oh, so you have to improve your about section because you don't write anything about you. There's something ordinary with keen interest, so you have to change this. And here you can see your experience. Okay, so in experience section, you are interning in Let's Grow More, but you have to put something like what you have done, what you मतलब आप इधर भी क्या कुछ कर चुके हैं, आपका क्या क्या काम था, you have to mention in this section, right? Apart from your certificate and offer letter and your schooling and your certificates and your skills. And here it is, uh, recommendation system. Okay, so pretty cool. So just change your headline and this banner and profile picture, and also add something cool about you in the about section, right? Here you go. That's awesome. Next profile link is, okay, so your profile picture is uh, not good, and your banner is empty, so you have to put banner, and you have to change your profile picture, and also attended university. You have to change your headline. It's not good. Okay, as a reference you can follow my profile, and you don't mention anything in your contact section. So if any recruiter wants to contact with you, they can't, because you don't put anything in your about section, in your contact section, right? Okay, so and you don't have any experience, so this profile is not good. You have to work a lot to improve your profile. And next is, when, oh, it's school profile, right? The background, I suggest focus on background, and also you can add gist, like photos, not full photo. Right? Your intro section is great. You mention everything about you. Yeah, it's awesome. It's awesome. In contact info section, oh, okay. This is a minus point. You have to mention your Gmail for contacting, right? So improve your banner and improve your contact section. And here is your about us section. Yeah, this is cool. This is cool, simple and super good. Okay, so in experience section, you can write your experiences with these internships or in these opportunities, right? In coding ninjas, what you had done in previously, you have to mention in this, right? Also, in student partner, in give my certificate, upload अपने give my certificate में previously क्या क्या काम किए क्या क्या सीखे, you have to mention in that. Okay, and your education. In education, you can also mention your CGPA or 10 12 percentage if you want. It's great, right? Okay, in license, it's good in voluntary section. Same applicable on voluntary section. You have to mention what type of work you had done. Okay, good. And this is your language and honored award. Okay, I suggest put some, you can say, projects on accomplishment section, so that uh, recruiter can uh, follow your profile and get connected with you, right? Okay, so next profile is Amulya Sri. Okay, okay, awesome. So I suggest key and learning and cybersecurity curious student. You can add a space or slash in between that. It's great. Uh, just replace the dot with replace this dot with slash, right? It will look more better. In contact information, you have to put your contact ID, like email ID or anything, right? So that they can contact with you. And okay, so in about us section, you have to mention little more about yourself. You are just, this is simple, okay? You have to put more about yourself, like interesting facts about you, right? And also you can add in here some eye-catchy things, right? Eye-catchy thing means the keywords of your tech stack, right? Okay, so here you mentioned in features section, you mentioned all the certificates. That's cool. And okay, in experience section, video streaming and campus leader of Eduhub community. Uh, so you can mention what type of work you have done previously. Okay, that's cool. You mentioned all the thing. That's awesome. Also, yeah, that's good. Okay, just you have to edit your header section or heading part. Okay, and also improve your about us section and write something on this experience. That's pretty much about your profile. It's good. Here you go. Okay, already. Okay, Subham Yadav, so co-founder at SK Indian Private Limited. That's awesome. You can put a banner, because banner is very important. You can put something about you, like uh, your company things, right? Your company logo and all, so that uh, your business can grow. That's the main thing. Okay, you have to improve your connection, right? Okay, okay. So you are the co-founder of SK Group, so you have to mention that SK Group क्या क्या करता है, right? That's, you have to work a lot on your LinkedIn profile. It's a basic profile. Okay. So next is uh, yeah, this your banner is like good. And I suggest please change your profile picture as soon as possible, because it's a professional platform. So you have to um, maintain the rules and regulation, right? Your background should be plain or something, right? And here you mentioned that programming enthusiast, IT industry. Okay, so I suggest. to write full name of your college, you can just write NSIT. Okay, it will be great. And also you can add your keywords so that it will improve, right? Contact information, again, you have done mistakes, you have to, you have to add your Gmail on that section so that recruiter can contact with you. Okay, so your activity is null. In experience section you have write project developer. Okay, 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 so that's great, that's great. Okay, okay, that's also good, that's also good. Sure. So I suggest is change your, change your profile picture and add some eye-catchy words in your header file, and add your Gmail and add your about us section. I can't find your about us section. Please add it. It's very important, right? So here we go, Anuradha. So core team member at Eduhub community and finally a student. I suggest you can add more things like some technologies, like if you are comfortable with web development, you can write web developer and something, or also you can write some eye-catchy things. Your profile picture is okay, okay types, not so good and not so bad, and your banner is cool. In your about us section, yeah, that's awesome, you can mention everything about you. Okay, okay, and yeah, your experience section is also good. You mention what kind of work you have done. That's great. In open source, what kind of contribution you have done, so you can mention it over here, right? Your certificate section and your skills. Okay, also that you LinkedIn skill assessment badge. Okay, that's plus point to you. Okay, that's pretty much about it. Your profile is, 90% good. Just change your profile picture as soon as possible, and here we go. Okay, next is Kushi, and so first thing is you have to change your, banner, and also change your profile picture, because selfie is not a professional way to showcase, right? So you have to change your profile picture as well as your banners, and campus ambassador of tech learn and fitness. You can add more thing in your header section, like your skill set or any technology you are familiar with, right? You can add in this section because it's very very crucial point for a recruiter point of view and for a visitor point of view, right? And here is your contact information. Okay, it's good, you mentioned your Gmail ID over here. This is great. Okay, one more thing, I have a suggestion for you. Just you can put your work, what kind of work you have done. You can mention in your experience section. Repeated time I'm telling. Right. Okay. This is volunteering section. Same applicable one, volunteering section. In accomplishment, you can add your projects. Okay, you can add your projects because it's very much helpful to for recruiter. Okay, so next, and this is pretty much about your profile. You just add your banner, change your profile picture, and something on your header. Okay, cool. So this is next, Vishal. So he's front-end developer, TSA, five-star coder at HackerRank. So it's cool profile, and your banner is good, but you have to change it, and you have to change your uh, profile picture because it's very very funky. Right? It's a professional platform, so you have to maintain the rules and regulation. So I suggest change your banner as well as your profile picture, right? And in your about us section you write good things, that you are a C++ and C developer, etc., right? This is good. And in a web developer, okay, so you are a web developer in your community, so I suggest mentioned something, right? आपने क्या क्या किया है in previously, you have to mention in that section. ऐसे खाली मत छोड़ दीजिए, right? And this is good. you don't have accomplishment section, so you have to add something on your accomplishment section, right? And here we go, your profile is great, perfect. Okay, Syed Aman Ali, so your background is bro amazing, because I think you are comfortable with web development, front end and back end as well. That means full stack developer. अगर कोई भी रिक्रूटर आपके प्रोफाइल में आएगा तो पहले ही नहीं समझ जाएगा यू आर अ फुल स्टैक डेवलपर because of your banner. And your profile picture is good, but I suggest please look in front of your camera. Okay. And budding web developers, this is cool. And also you can mention something eye-catchy things on your header section. It's up to you. Think about it, because it's very very crucial to write something on your header part, right? Okay, so you're in your contact information, you don't mention anything. You have to mention your email ID or something else, right? Okay. In your about a experience background, okay, but about art section is okay, okay. And you have mentioned your resume also. This is cool. Okay, your experience section is pretty much cool. Yeah, awesome, great. Yeah, you also added some project in project section. This is cool. Amazing profile. Just change your profile picture and here we go. Okay, so yeah, your profile is looking good. Your banner is also very good, because I can see you are a web developer and also a C++ programmer. Great. So I suggest please add some eye-catchy thing in your header part, not DSA learner. Learner thing is not good in your header part. इससे क्या होता है ना, आपको थोड़ा सा ऐसा नूब नूब समझते हैं, so you have to mention something like DSA. That's cool, but not DSA learner, right? You have to mention something. I think you are a web developer, so please mention that web developing thing in your header section, right? Okay. In contact section you mention your portfolio link. That's good. I hope कि आपके portfolio में आपका email ID and contact details है, right? Okay, that's cool. Okay, you don't mention anything in your about us section. I suggest please mention something about you in your about us section. Also in experience section, same mistake, you have to mention your work experience in there, right? And you have to mention your projects on LinkedIn. It's very much helpful for you, right? So it's okay profile and your banner, and you can say the profile picture is pretty much good. Change your header section, right? And your about us section as soon as possible. Oh, here we go. Philip, he's an international student of our community. So, Philip, I suggest you please change your banner, because it's not good. Change your banner, do something in your Canva. You can edit by yourself, or if you want any kind of suggestion, please comment down below or contact with me. I will provide some banner, right? And also please change your profile picture, because selfie is not a professional picture, right? That's the two thing you have to change. You mentioned that C sharp .NET developer. Okay, so yeah, it's cool. You can add some space in between backend developer and SQL and this colon and this slash, right? Oh, you mentioned lots about uh, backend part in your about us section. That's great. That's great. Also, in experience section, you have to mention that what kind of work you had done, right? And here we go. Okay, that's awesome. You have to mention your projects on that accomplishment section. That's it. So you have to. Oh, let me check your contact information. Yeah, you put your email ID. That's great. So you have to change your profile picture, banner, and something on your header section, and have to mention work experience, right? Okay. So next is Aditya. Okay, your profile is looking very, very good and very professional. Your banner is awesome, dude, and your headline is also good. MLH mentor, postman, yeah, amazing, amazing. Oh, and your about us section is also good. Nice, looking professional. Mm-hmm. Yeah, also you mentioned all the thing. Great, great. Yes, great. Your profile is looking very good. Also, you have to mention what kind of work you had done in MLH, right? Also, you are a core team member of Hack Club, so you have to mention your work. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, you have mentioned your honored and projects also. That's good profile. Here we go. This is a very good example of LinkedIn, right? Okay, so your first thing, your profile picture is not good, dude. Please change it as soon as possible. I request you, please change it. And your heading section also not good. Please change as soon as possible. You can refer my profile links. Okay. Also, you can suggest Aman Datrawal or any kind of professionals, right? So here you can see your contact information. You had mentioned your uh, Gmail ID. That's cool. Please change your profile picture as soon as possible. Okay. So you are campus ambassador of Geeks for Geeks. So what kind of work you had done in Geeks for Geeks? Please mention over here. Please, because it's very very necessary things to mention your work, right? Okay. So you have to mention your uh, languages and your projects in the LinkedIn profile so that recruiter can you know recruiter को पता चले कि हाँ ये बंदा एग्जिस्ट करता है. That's the main motto of using LinkedIn, right? Okay, so this is another profile link. Okay, it's looking professional. Yeah, email intern, GSOC, GSSOC, Microsoft Campus Club. That's cool. Your header is very very professional, and in background section, I suggest not only put Python. Apart from Python, you can you know add small Python, and you are comfortable with AIML and all, you can mention step by step. Okay, just use Canva to design a banner, and here we go. And your banner is your profile picture is also good. Okay, your about us section, you mention little bit about you. That's good. Also, you mention your resume. And okay, so in AIML part, you have to mention your work experience with this company, right? Okay, that's cool. Okay, you also mentioned some courses, languages, and projects. Your profile is uh, on point. Just do please change your banner as soon as possible. And here we go. Already. Okay, this is looking very professional. Amazing, amazing. Your profile picture is on point, dude, and your banner is also good. Kudos to you, dude. I want to know you are in which year. Okay, you are in first year of VIT. That's amazing, dude. You're very smart and five-star at hacker rank. GWOC, Google Winter of Code. Sorry, Girl Skip Winter of Code and IEEE CSVIT. That's great. That's great. Awesome. Go ahead with your work. Okay, professional. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, in GWOC, what kind of contribution you had done? Please mention it. Right. Also, if you have certificate or anything else, you can put it over here. And here we go. And also, if you have any project, small project in your school or anything, you can mention over accomplishment section. Amazing, dude. Nice profile. Okay, so it's a very bad profile. You don't have your profile picture, you don't have banner, so I don't think ये कोई काम का है. So please work on your LinkedIn profile. Nothing else. Okay, so now your background is good, but you have to change your profile picture because it's not professional. you have to change it, right? And you here you mentioned founder of okay, so uh, you can add some slash between two type things, right? If you add some slash, it will look good. Okay, that's the thing. And in contact information, you don't mention your email ID or something else, so you have to mention your email ID on that section, because it's very very necessary to contact with you, right? रिक्रूटर आपके साथ कांटेक्ट कैसे करेगा? लिंक्डइन पे आपको मैसेज तो करेगा नहीं थ्रू थ्रू क्या बोलते हैं उसको, थ्रू Gmail ID, Gmail, they contact with you. So you have to mention Gmail on your profile, right? In your about section, कुछ भी नहीं है. So you have to mention many more things in your about section, your work experience, your um, tech stack, everything in about section. Okay, and you are a founder, so we have to mention a lot in this section, right? What kind of company you are running, you have to mention in that section. Okay, and your certificate section is cool. Okay, so in accomplishment section, you have to mention some projects on your accomplishment section. Okay, that's pretty much about your profile. First thing is you have to change your mm, profile picture. It's not too professional. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so your name, you can change your font size, dude, please. Okay, and your profile picture is professional, and your background also is good, and your headline is great, looking good. Okay, your about a section is very very impressive. Nice, nice. In experience section, you are working in Infosys, so you have to mention what kind of work you had done, or you're working working क्या बोलते हैं उसको, आप क्या किस बेस किस लैंग्वेज पे या फिर किस ऑब्जेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं, उसको आप पे मेंशन कीजिए. दैट विल बी मोर हेल्पफुल फॉर अदर रिक्रूटर. ओके, I had mentioned all the certificate. That's awesome. Okay, in accomplishment section, there is one project only. If you have another project, just put it over here. And recommendation section is also good. Here we go. The profile is very much approx 99% good. Okay, so we have to add your profile picture, otherwise it will not work, right? Also, you have to change your banner because its quality is very very low. And you have to you don't have your about us section, so you have to put a about us section on your profile and mention about you. And same thing in experience section, you have to write something about your experience. Okay, skill section is great. Courses, language, publication. Okay, kin algorithm, you're working on algorithms in, I think, machine learning, right? Okay, here, yeah, perfect. So you have to put your profile picture and also heading section, nothing. Okay, so you have to put some eye catchy thing on this. In contact section also you have to put your email ID, so that recruiter can contact with you. That's the thing. Okay, so just add your profile picture as soon as possible. Okay, Vivekanand, you are working at Microsoft and your profile is null, nothing. I don't know what to say. You have to add something. You have to add everything in your profile. I can't see anything in your profile. Okay, so Abhishek Tiwari. So yeah, you have to change your profile picture first, dude. Your profile picture is not professional, and your background is okay. Okay, that's good. And you have to add some header section on your profile, because only CSC 25 you're passing out here is not working, right? You have to mention lots more thing, some eye catchy words, some technology that's you're comfortable with, right? Okay. And in your experience section again, dude, you have to put your work experience that कितने टाइप का वर्क आप किए हो कैंपस एम्बेसडर के रूप में, so you have to put it on your experience section, right? And your accomplishment section English and Hindi. So if you have any kind of projects, so you can mention or you can leave it, right? Okay, fine. So you have to change your profile picture, add something on your uh, header section, and also you don't have your about us section, I can see. So you have to mention about, you have to write something on your about us section, right? Here we go. Okay, Rohit, please change your background, also please change your profile picture, it's not good. Learning new thing and exploring, that's awesome, that's awesome. Also you can mention any other thing also, but it's looking good. Have to mention your you have to mention your you can say your Gmail ID, so that recruiter can contact with you. Awesome. And in experience section you have to add your experience, so that um, recruiter can know that आप कितने टाइप का वर्क किए हैं. And in about us section you have to mention something about you, your tech stack, and related to you, right? Also you don't have your accomplishment section, so put it on your profile because it's very much helpful. Next profile is Sivam Shahu, member of Google Developer Student Club. I suggest इतना बड़ा लाइन ना लिख के just add GDSC, it will work. Founder of Future Coder, that's awesome. I suggest you can write founder of Future Coder at first, then member of GDSC, then web developer, right? In contact information, you don't have your email ID, please put it as soon as possible, and please change your profile picture, it's not looking good. And your banner is awesome, awesome. And your about us section is great, great. You mention everything about you, and your experience section is good, great. Your skills and endorsements is also great, and you can mention your projects over accomplishment section. Please add some projects on this, okay? Because LinkedIn is very much helpful for you. If you add your if you add your projects on your LinkedIn, it will help you in your future, that I can assure you, right? Okay, Subham. Okay, Subham, please change your you can say profile picture, right? It's selfie type, you can change it, right? And your header section is pretty much good. I suggest do not put 300 plus DSA questions solved. इससे थोड़ा सा अजीब सा फील आता है, राइट? ओके, सो इस मार्क को हटा दो. And you guided 500 plus students, it's good, you can mention. And founder of coded community, you can add first, okay? So just add these things apart from front end web developer, okay? That will work. And your background section is okay, okay. If you want, you can change it through any graphics, okay? And in the about us section currently, but you don't mention anything about you, I suggest please mention something about you in this after section. Also you can mention your CGPA and all in your experience section, or sorry, education system. And you don't have any experience, so if you have any kind of experience, please add on this section. And you mention your projects, that's awesome. You are working a lot on web development, I can see. Yeah. And also in data structure, amazing, amazing. Please change your profile picture and banner, I suggest. And also remove this 300 plus word, okay? Here we go. Oh, in contact information section, let me check. You don't put your what I can say, you don't put your Gmail ID, so please put it on your LinkedIn profile, right? Okay, so next profile is Parchishma. Just Okay, let me just wait a second. Due to इतना सारा टैब लैपटॉप हैंग हो गया. Just give me a second. Oh my god, it's not working. Oh my god, I don't know what to say. Just delete some tabs. Give me a second, guys, please. I don't know what to say. Yeah, working. Due to some connectivity issues, it's showing that type of things. Again, it's happening. What the hell? Yeah. Okay, so what is Manshaha? So, dude, please change your profile picture and your banner as soon as possible because it's a professional platform. You can't add your selfies in LinkedIn, right? Also, I can suggest change your header section, okay, as soon as possible, right? And in your contact information section, you don't put your uh, email id, so put your email id as soon as possible. And again, in experience section you have to put your work, right? And also, if you want, you can put your cgpa on your education system, in your education, and you are a member of Eduhub. So what kind of community it is, you can mention over here. Here we go. And also you can put your uh, projects if you want. Okay, so this profile looking very good. Your banner is on point, dude. It's really amazing, but your profile picture is not looking professional. So I suggest please change your profile picture and your profile is boom. Your You are a GitHub campus expert. Amazing, dude. Amazing. And your your header section is really good. I suggest please change your profile picture and you will rock. In your contact information section, you mention everything. That's awesome. And here are your certificates. Your campus expert certificate. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, again you messed up, dude. You are a campus expert of GitHub. You have to mention what you have to mention everything in your about us section. Please mention everything in your about us section as soon as possible. Your experience section is amazing. Okay, certificate. Also, your recommendation part is great, nice. Your profile looks amazing, dude, amazing. Pranay Gupta. Okay. Your profile picture and your banner is amazing, dude. And your header part is also good. Okay. So I can see many more things on your profile, and you are open source enthusiast, and also you put your website links, address, email ID, Twitter, everything in your contact information. That's very good. Okay. And in your feature section, you mention your GitHub profile because it's digital resume nowadays. Okay. And in about a section, you mention everything about you. That's awesome. And yeah, your experience section also is amazing. Nice. Great. Okay, your profile is to the point. Amazing, dude. Pro. Pro level profile. Amazing. Okay, Prajwal. So you can change your banner because the quality is not good. Please add something. Okay. And your profile picture is also not good. You can add some professional picture in your LinkedIn. Campus ambassador of Hacker Earth and human resource officer at, yeah, it's okay. Okay, type header. You can add something else also. You can add something eye catchy words, right? Okay. In your contact information section, you, you have to mention your Gmail ID. Please mention your Gmail ID as a in your about section. Follow your passion. No, no, don't know. You can mention everything about you in your about us section because it's your profile, right? You have to showcase your talent. And in your experience section, development and testing intern, you have to mention your work experience कि आप कैसे कैसे वर्क किए हैं, right? And in campus ambassador, you have to mention your work experience also. Here we go. And that's pretty much about your profile. Okay, so just change your banner, change your profile picture, add about a section as soon as possible. So this is pretty much about this thing. Okay, so if you want to connect with me, this is my profile. You can connect with me via LinkedIn or via YouTube. Okay, so just subscribe my channel, and I hope this video is helpful for you people. If you enjoyed this session, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. In my next session, I will cover everything about GitHub. Okay, I will review GitHub profile. Okay, in next video, I will create a video on LinkedIn, how you can create a good profile in LinkedIn, right? This is a review session, and in next section I will suggest you how you can improve your profile. Okay, you can, you know, आप लोग मेरा प्रोफाइल का भी एक हेल्प ले सकते हैं बिकॉज आई थिंक माई प्रोफाइल इज अ डिसेंट प्रोफाइल, right? So this is pretty much about this session. So thank you for watching this video. Take care, bye bye, and happy new year. Bye.